Medical crony capitalism happens when government merges with big drug companies, big insurance companies, and big hospitals. The focus is no longer on your health. It is all about the billions of dollars of profits to be made. This perverted form of capitalism leads to corruption, secret favors, deals, and payoffs, mostly legal because government is part of the team. It is also an effective way to stop honest competition. If you want to enter the field, you better make some friends in industry and government, and that will cost you big money. Unfortunately, this system produces treatments that are less safe and less effective than they could be. Above all, it produces treatments that are off the charts expensive, mostly paid for by the government. If a treatment is safe, effective, and cheap, forget about it. Nothing cheap is allowed. No profit in that. The way drugs are developed illustrates the problem. Taxpayers foot the bill for much investigative drug research. This research is used by pharmaceutical companies to develop new drugs and vaccines, who then charge taxpayers exorbitant prices for the products developed with government money. Even universities get in on the action. They act as go-betweens, so the government research money does not go directly to drug companies, even though the drug companies get most of the benefits. Of the 210 medicines approved by the FDA between 2010 and 2016, every one originated in government labs or university labs funded by the government. The approval process for these drugs includes the need for randomized clinical trials. The cost for this process commonly reaches billions of dollars. Much of this money goes directly into the salaries and bonuses and retirement funds of government employees. The drug companies are happy to pay out billions. Potential competitors can't afford it. Approval means the drug company gets an ironclad monopoly. This is on top of the monopoly created by the government patent on a product developed with government funds that ended up owned by the drug company. These monopolies don't last forever, but they last long enough to create billions of dollars of profits. Our government further protects these monopolies by limiting treatment options for specific diseases. Only FDA-approved drugs are allowed to make claims about preventing, curing, or even helping with a disease. Government also works to control what is called the standard of care. This generally means using FDA-approved drugs, and especially the most expensive ones still under patent. Physicians who dare operate outside this framework may be prosecuted or lose their licenses. Natural treatment options aren't generally patentable because they already occur in nature. So if one company takes them through government approval, any other company can use that approval to sell them. No one can afford to spend millions or billions for government approval of natural products. As a result, no one can make any claim that natural products prevent or cure or reduce disease, no matter how strong the scientific evidence is. Natural treatments may be scientifically shown to be safe, effective, and inexpensive, but you will never see them used in the medical system. This is just one example of medical crony capitalism. Here's another. Medicare pays a hospital more for a particular treatment than any independent physician. Same treatment, but much more paid to the hospital. Result? Hospitals buy up more and more independent physician practices so that the government can be charged more. Do you live in one of those towns where the hospital has monopoly owning most of the medical practices? Now you know why this happens. Just another sweet deal between government and hospitals. We must end this medical cronyism. Please sign our petition to protect access to natural treatments. We need at least 1 million signers. Please help us out.